Welcome back, traders. I hope you're doing great. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we're going to take a look at the indices. We're going to make a weekly outlook for the upcoming week. And I would say, let's don't talk too much. Let's dive straight into the analysis. We're on the monthly time frame as usual, and we're looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures chart. On the monthly time frame, you can see we are still rejecting this bullish order block plus this imbalance here, and we can see the last monthly candle closed bullish, stayed above it, and now the month opened quite bearish. We had 4 consecutive down close candles, and then Friday retraced a little bit. We're still trading inside this bearish order block, so we're still somewhere in between. Not so much clarity in this situation, but let's look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly chart, you can see we're still in bearish order flow. We can see price rejected this fair value gap right here after taking out buy side liquidity. Price traded lower. You can see last week we outlined this volume imbalance and price decline from it. It also missed this weekly bearish order block by like 1 point or something, so it was really close. You can say we're rejecting this bearish weekly order block after trading into a premium. And now let's go into the daily chart to see what's making it so confusing to determine the bias for the next week. On the daily chart, things get a little bit complicated. So you can see if we are bearish, we need to decline from the daily order block right here, coupled with this fair value gap. On Friday with NFP, we traded into this fair value gap, closed also below it. So let's see if Monday can show us bearish price action to attack this sell side liquidity. On the other side, we can see this as a stop run on sell side liquidity, trading into this bullish order block coupled with this volume imbalance. Price could then run out these relative equal highs right here and fill in the fair value gap plus volume imbalance. So we still don't know, but maybe let's look at the 4-hour chart for a little second. Arrived on the 4-hour chart, we can see on Monday we had SMT divergence and then market decline 4 days in a row. And Friday we had some bullish retracement. You can see we have a breaker right here. On Friday in NFP we traded right into it and then had one bearish 4-hour candle, and then the next 4-hour candle closed bullish. I thought price would decline lower, but you can see we also created this sell side liquidity over here. So maybe we have one more run above this high to then trade lower. You can see also we have a 4-hour BPR right here outlined with these purple lines. We traded also on NFP in it and then declined lower. So we're a little bit in between. I would suggest that we wait for Monday's price action to play out prior to the New York Stock Exchange open. Just see what price is doing on the lower time frames, 15-minute time frame or so on. So I don't know the bias. Nothing is clear. We're something in between. So maybe I would recommend you to level down your leverage. But let's look at the economic calendar to see what the next week brings with it. Looking at the economic calendar, we can see straight away Thursday is a quite volatile day or interesting day. We have core CPI news coming out. These are the most high impactful news on the market in the past few months. They have been really volatile, more volatile than FOMC or non-farm payrolls. So I wouldn't trade around those times, just stay out of it. On Monday, you can see nothing special. I will wait for 9:30. New York Stock Exchange open. Tuesday and Wednesday the same thing. Just wait for New York Stock Exchange open, and then see if you can get a setup. Thursday I would stay out, just monitor price on demo account, or just come back after it already happened. Friday, even if we have a US dollar bank holiday, we have still 10 a.m. news, so maybe there's a potential Friday setup at 10 a.m. Now let's look which weekly template we could see unfolding. I apologize for the bad graphics, for the bad quality. We could anticipate, of course, I don't know if this will play out because we're something in between. Maybe we could see a bullish profile, but because we're still bearish, I would suggest we could see a seek and destroy bearish Friday manipulation template. Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday consolidate, and Thursday runs out the highs, the liquidity pool with CPI as I just mentioned, and we could see then on Friday the run lower into a discount PDRA. Of course, I don't really know. This week is just wait at least for Monday and see what price shows you, see how price tips its hand to you, and hopefully you could see some nice setups form. Guys, that's it. Thank you that you tuned in again to my channel. I hope we will see us next week. I will probably do, because of the circumstances, I will do a midweek commentary, maybe around Tuesday or straight away on Monday. I don't know. We will see, but I will definitely post a midweek commentary. Guys, we see us next time. Have a great day. Stay safe and trade safe. Bye.